Happy New Year, makeup freaks. This is my first video in 2021. Yay! Woo! New Year. Okay, to start off my video, I did want to comment that for my New Year's resolution, I want to start posting up twice a week. So I believe the way that I want to do it is on Wednesdays, I want to show makeup techniques, and on Saturdays, I want to upload a full makeup. So if you're going out on the weekend, you have something to inspire you for a makeup look or evening look. For today's video, we are going to do a smoky green eyeshadow, and we are going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Prism palette. And let's go ahead and get started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I also wanted to mention that on Wednesdays, I also want to do product reviews. Okay, for this first step of this eyeshadow, I know I'm gonna look crazy, but I found a little trick because I already have done my foundation and I don't want to reapply because I don't want to reapply foundation if I put tape. So I figured out that if you do sticky notes, because it's not as sticky as the tape, you put it underneath your eyes to catch all the fallout. The first color we're gonna dip into is Unity, which is this kind of yellowish color, and we're going to use our Lawrence brush, and this one is the LR 112 blending brush. In this color, we're gonna lay from our brow bone down to our lid. For our blending brush today, we are using the Morphe M505. Blend, blend, blend. For our second shade, which will be our crease color, we are going to dip into the Parallel, which is this brown color, and we are going to use our Firma 201 brush. For our third color, we're going to use this black color, which is Abstin, and we're going to use this BH Cosmetic Duo brush, and we're going to use the bigger side. In this color, we're going to place it on our crease and lid. With our Firma brush, we're going to go back into our Parallel, which is our brown color, and we're going to add a little bit more to our crease. For our lid color today, we're going to use Throne, which is this green color, and we're going to use our Sigma E25 blending brush. Now we go ahead and remove the post-it note, and like I said, you see that it did not pick up any of my foundation. And now we're going to color in the bottom lash, and we're going to use the BDB flathead brush, which is the smudging brush, and we're going to do everything in order. So we're going to do the Parallel color, which is the brown, then we're going to do the Abstin, which is the black, and then we're going to add the Throne, which is the green. With our Lawrence brush, we're going to dip into Unity and add some into the inner corner to clean up this area. To add a pop of color into our inner corner, we're going to dip into Saphir, and we're going to use the smaller end of our dual brush. With our Sigma Longwear Wicked Color eyeliner, we're going to fill in our waterlines. With our L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, we're going to complete our eyes. Now let's go ahead and finish the other eye. And bam, that is how I completed my smoky green eyeshadow look. But if you're like me and you want to give your eyebrow a eyebrow lift, I'm going to add a little bit of the highlighter that I already have on, which this is the IBY Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter 24 Karat Magic. And I'm going to use the same brush that I use with the yellowish color from my brow bone. You guys see what I mean? Look at the difference. Brow lift, no brow lift. And since I'm extra, I'm going to add a little bit more highlighter to my cheekbones and my nose and my cupid's bow. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. For lip liner, I am going to be using a lip liner called Spicy. I don't know the brand name of it, but it's like a light brownish color. For our lipstick today, we are using a lipstick by Fenty Beauty, and this is called Thicc, and this is a nude brown color. To top off our lips, we're going to use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is in Fenty Glow. And that is how I completed my smoky green eyeshadow with nude lipstick. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Be sure to share with your friends. If you have any questions or comments for me, leave it down in the comment section below. If you like my eyebrows or want to know how I accomplish my foundation, stay tuned for future videos. This is a 3-part video, so it will be coming up soon. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye.